Hi guys, I'm Ellie and I'm a professional dancer on board Explorer of the Seas. I sign off Explorer on the 5th of July, so I still have a few months left. I have finally created a YouTube channel. I decided to create this not only for myself but for my friends and family at home, just to see what I'm up to and for myself to look back on. Also for people who are curious to work on board a cruise ship. I do remember when I first signed my contract, I was very curious to what life was like on board. I did see a few ice skaters vlogging and so on. I never really saw any dancers or anybody that works in theatre vlog. There is a lot more now, which I would have loved when I first signed my contract. Stick with me, I'm not a professional at this, it's for fun. So I hope you enjoy this video and yeah, thanks for watching. So today is a show day. We did have tech this morning. We are doing the show Fast Forward. The tech runs are for lights, sound, singers, dancers, stage staff, for all the tech stuff. So that's just to make sure that the show is all ready for tonight's show. So we did that this morning and I am probably gonna have a pretty relaxed day. Might go sit up in the sun and just get lunch, and I always have a nap. So this might be a little bit of a boring day. One weird thing we have to do is preset down in the pit. So that's never usually there, but that's the door to the stage, and that door's the door to the I-95 and to our rooms. So we actually have to preset down here because the pit goes down and then we ride it back up for the next number. So we have to do quick changes here. So I've got my costume, my can boots, and my drink bottle. Now I'm gonna go get my Celsius and my creatine and then warm up for the show. Oh my god, that was so hard. The show went really well. We actually had 3 weeks off of this show, so it was a bit of a kick in the butt doing it again after 3 weeks, but it all went really well. It was a great show. Have one more to do, so I'm going to sit and relax in between shows, and I'm going to insert some videos from tonight's show and hope you enjoy it. Morning guys, it is a sea day today. Got up this morning and had a coffee with Matt. It's our daily ritual morning routine. So Sat back deck, had a coffee, and now I'm just going to go up to the theatre and wash some costumes. Me and another cast member split wardrobes, so she does the maintenance and repairs and stuff for the costumes, and I wash the costumes. I'm going to go up and wash the bits and costumes from last night's show, and a few more that I have to do before the next show. So gonna go up and do that. I usually get quite hot and I just wash my hair, so I'm gonna throw my hair back, take this top off, go up and do some washing, and then potentially go to the gym. It's gym time. I'm gonna head up to the guest gym. I'm gonna do legs. It might be a little bit busy, but I'll try and film as much as I can. And yeah, so gonna go up and get a workout in, and I'll see you guys after. Fuck your mind up, waste time. I'm prone to that, do it all the time. Keep your guards up, who waited line. You don't need me, please believe me. This ain't easy, you know I've been feeding. Let me unleash my demons on you. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. Wanna get you to myself, there's murder. What's the word? Tell me what you heard. Tell me what to do, just tell me when it hurts. When I get you to myself, there's murder. What you mean, you and me, I'm here all by myself. You around, she's around, let's be polite, not leave her out. What you call this? Hope it's not romantic. I ain't got no kids, so don't be so childish. Wildin', I can wildin' too, but I like you, so baby. I look absolutely crazy in this, but I try and do it every single night, if not every second night. But yeah, I'm just gonna sit in this for a half an hour, and hopefully Matt will be back by then, and then we can watch a movie and get some sleep. I look so crazy. 3 10-minute sessions. Hopefully it fixed everything on my face. Hi.